Hello, grandchildren. It's Grammy, and today we're going to read Goodnight Moon. In the great green room, there was a telephone. Huh? Can you find the telephone? And a red balloon. And a picture of the cow jumping over the moon. And 3 little bears sitting on chairs. And 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens. Do you see the kittens? And do you see the mittens? And a little toy house and a young mouse. What would you do if you had a mouse in your room? And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush. And a quiet old lady who was whispering, "Hush." Good night, room. Goodnight, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light. And the red balloon. There's the red balloon. Good night, bears. And good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. And good night, mittens. Good night, clocks. And good night, socks. Good night, little house. And good night, mouse. Little tiny mouse. Good night, comb. And good night, brush. Good night, nobody. There's nobody right there. And good night, what's that? Mush. Good night, mush. And good night to the old lady whispering, hush. Good night. It's getting darker. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. Oh, it's getting dark now. Time to go to sleep. Good night. Good night, moon. Good night.